In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone HubSpot content. We'll walk through this using an email as the main example because that's one of the most common types of content people duplicate in HubSpot. Cloning is really useful when you already have an email that's close to what you need and you just want to reuse the layout, settings, or structure without rebuilding everything from scratch. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left panel and find the marketing section. Hover your mouse over marketing to expand the options that sit underneath it. From that expanded list, go ahead and select email. This will take you to your email listing page where you can see all of the marketing emails you've already created. On this page, browse or search for the specific email you want to clone. When you've found it, move your cursor over that email row. As you hover over it, a few quick actions will appear. Look for the option labeled Clone and click on it. This tells HubSpot you want to make a copy of that email. When you click Clone, a drawer will slide open on the right side of your screen. This panel is where you'll set up the basic details for your cloned email. First, update the cloned email name so that it's clear and easy to recognize later. Using a descriptive name, like adding a date or campaign label, will help keep your emails organized. Next, select the email type that best matches how you plan to use this copy, such as a regular marketing email or another type available in your account. Once you're satisfied with these settings, scroll down in that drawer and click the Clone button at the bottom. After you click Clone, the page will reload. HubSpot will automatically open the editor for your newly cloned email. From here, you can customize anything you like. Update the subject line, adjust the content and images, tweak the layout, or change your links and settings. Even though it started as a copy, you can treat it just like any other email and make all the adjustments you need before sending or scheduling it. This overall process is very similar when you're working with other HubSpot content types, such as landing pages or certain other marketing assets. You look for the item you want to reuse, hover over it to find the clone option, adjust the basic settings in the drawer, and then edit the clone version in its respective editor.